Okay, here in this question we have to convert decimal number 46 into binary number. So the conversion process of decimal into binary is known as double method. I repeat, double method. So for this conversion we need a division table. We write 46 here and divide this 46 number with the base, that is 2. Here first it divide in 23 times, we get remainder as 0. Now here it divide 11 times, we get remainder as 1. It divide 5 times, we get remainder again as 1. We get remainder again 1. We get remainder 0. Okay, so after the completion of division we write answer from the downward to upward direction. It means that our final answer of this conversion is 10111 0 with the base of 2. This one is our final answer. Thank you.